Do you want to learn how to write prompts on Instagram Notes to spark meaningful conversations and stand out? These are fun questions or statements that appear at the top of your followers' inboxes, making it super easy to start discussions. And in order to create a prompt on your Instagram Notes, you will first have to go over to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and then make sure that your Instagram application is fully updated to the latest version. So if you see an update option right here, then you'll want to click on that button and then wait a couple of minutes until your Instagram app updates to the latest version. After that, we can simply open the app and then let's go over to our Instagram DMs and start creating a prompt as we normally would. You're going to see your profile picture icon at the top of the Instagram DMs, and let's tap on this little cloud icon in order to start creating our prompt. In the latest version of the Instagram application, we can see 3 different icons right here. You can add music to your notes, you can record a video, and add it to your notes by tapping on the little camera icon at the right side. But in order to create a prompt, you'll want to tap on this icon that has a question mark over it. You'll then get a little text box where your job is to enter the prompt which you want to share with your followers. I'm going to type an example question for the purpose of this video, and let's say I want to ask my followers what their favorite social media application is. Leave a comment down below, because I would really like to know what app you use on a daily basis and which one is your all-time favorite. Keep in mind that the notes have a character limit of 60 characters, so keep your questions short and concise. So I've now asked the question, and I will now type the answer of what my favorite social media app is, and that's YouTube, of course. Once I share this with my followers or my close friends, they will be able to see the prompt. And if they click on it, another window will open in our Instagram application where they'll be able to see the response which you've added to the prompt. They can now respond to you privately and start a conversation with you. Those are Instagram Notes prompts, everyone. If this video was helpful, then please make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.